Hello everyone, today I cover very important content from DBMS and it is SQL join. Okay, so what is SQL join? It is used to combine records from two or more tables based on common fields. So whenever there is a need to combine records from more than two tables or which is based on some common related field. Okay, there are two types, inner join and outer join. And outer join has left, right or full outer join. First of all, what is inner join? Inner join returns rows when there is a match in both tables. Left join return all rows from the left table and match rows from the right table. Right join return all rows from the right table and the match rows from the left table. And lastly, full join return all the records of both of the tables. Next, I will explain one by one. First of all, inner join. For explaining inner join, I am taking this example here. Table name, it is employee. Next table, it is department. In this table there are four columns: employee name, employee's number, employee name, salary and department number. And in table department there are three columns: department number, department name and location. Okay, and I am putting some values in this table. Now first of all, what is inner join? Inner join, I am explaining inner join with this Venn diagram, table A and table B. This portion shows the matching records. Okay, so select all records from table A and table B where join condition is met. Okay, so what is the formula or query for inner join? We have this two table. So inner join, select star from EMP inner join department on employee dot department number is equal to department dot department number. Okay, we are using the same query with inner word or without inner word. Formula is same, there is no change. We can use inner word or we can not use inner word. So the thing is similar. Without inner, it is also simply known as an inner join. So select star from a employee inner join department on employee dot department number is equal to department dot department number. This is the output, which is the matching records from table number employee and table number department. We are using join. So join these two table, employee and department. On it is a keyword. Here first table name, then dot. Okay, this is employee, this is department. Table name, then dot. Then the common field, department number. Okay, and lastly semicolon. This shows the matching record. So in this table, department number, common field and the matching records you can see C1, C2, C3. Okay, so from this three record 1, 2 and 3, 100, 101 and 102 with this three records Ahmedabad, Mumbai and Mumbai we can see in this table. Okay, this is the output 100, 101, 102, C1, C2, C3. Okay, this is inner join. Next, left join. We can see by this Venn diagram left table and the table left join, table A or table B. Select all records from table A along with records from table B for which the join condition is met. Okay, here select star from employee left join department on employee dot department number is equal to department dot department number. But the thing is, how we know which table is left or which table is right? So the word join, we have to focus here. Before join word, whatever the table is used, it is known as a left table, and after join word, whatever the table is used, it is known as a right table. So by this query, we are getting the output of this left table match with the right table. Okay, and other table becomes null. Here left table data all the comes in output and only match record with the table B. So left table is EMP. Okay, so left table is come with all this record and the matching data C1, C2, C3. Okay, from this right table, C4, C5, C6 become null. Next, right join. Now opposite to left join. Here table A, table B. Select all records from table B along with table A for which the join condition is met. Okay, so we have to take all the records of B and the matching records with table A. Select star from employee right join department on. Employee dot department number is equal to department dot department number. Okay, we are using the right join. So we are putting here right word, right join, two table, employee and department. So we have to take the right table records. So in this table we are getting the right side table means department. We are getting the records of department and the matching records with employee table, and the other table of employee, it becomes null. This is right join. And the last one, it is full join. So what is full join? Table A and table B, all the records are coming in the output. Select all records from table A and table B. Okay, whether the condition is join condition is met or not. Select star from employee. It is also known as a full outer join. Department on employee dot department is equal to department dot department number, then semicolon. Select star from employee. Okay, full outer join. Then we have to put the second table name, then same table name with the common field with, and then lastly semicolon. So this is the full outer join, right outer join and left join. I hope you guys you understand, and if any query you can write me okay in the comment section. Thank you.